In this video, we will be reviewing the Dyson V8 Absolute 115 Air Watts Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Now, let's first have a look at the components that come with the box. This is the Dyson Digital Motor V8, a combination cleaning tool. The crevice tool, a wider cleaning head. The Dyson charger, the adapter, the mini motorized tool, the motor bar cleaner head, the nozzle and brush combination tool, the quick release soft roller cleaner head, the docking station. Let's first look at the Dyson Digital Motor V8. It comes with a fully sealed filtration and is acoustically controlled to reduce noisy turbulence, and an easy switch to switch between the two power modes. This cleaner head comes with 43 polycarbonate vanes that lift tangled strands from the brush bar straight to the bin. Next, we have the motor bar cleaner head with a detangling comb to suck up dust and hair from all surfaces powerfully. Next is the quick release mini motorized tool to tackle ground and dirt in tight spaces. Next is the quick release combination tool for versatile cleaning. As you can see, the brushes on each head are perfectly designed to clean various surfaces. There are different brush heads for cars, floors, and furniture. Next up is the crevice tool for precise cleaning around edges and narrowing gaps. Next, we have the low reach adapter that bends to reach down under low furniture with a wand angle of up to 90 degrees. We also have the docking station to be mounted on the wall for easy storage. And lastly, we have the vacuum charger. Its 6-cell energy dense battery takes about 5 hours to charge and can run for up to 40 minutes on battery. Now, the vacuum can be used in two ways. The first is to attach the adapter to the digital motor and a cleaning head at the end. Or, other way to use is directly connecting the cleaner head to the motor. All parts can be easily attached or detached with the red button. Talking about the features, the vacuum comes with acoustic control, which means the vacuum is controlled to reduce noisy turbulence. This is the motor cleaner head in use. It can vacuum all types of floors, and the detangling comb automatically clears hair from the brush bar. Next is the quick release soft roller cleaner head. It is designed for all sorts of hard floors. Here is the combination tool with the wide nozzle and brush for cleaning and dusting tasks around your home or car. Next, you can see the crevice tool, engineered for precise cleaning around tricky edges and into hard to reach narrow spaces like couches and the bed, which helps for thorough cleaning. As you can see, the vacuum quickly transforms into a handheld for an all-rounder cleaning experience. This is the quick release mini motorized tool for a powerful vacuum of the ground in dirt on fabric surfaces. Charging the vacuum is as simple as charging any other device with a simple plug-in. The Dyson also has a no-touch bin emptying feature. The hygienic ejection mechanism dries out dirt and dust in one action, so you don't need to touch it. This was the Dyson V8 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Let us know which product we should review next.